Welcome to Montpellier and the CORDIALL 2026 conference. This video introduces the paper titled Digital Technologies and Management Frameworks for Coffee Supply Chain Traceability. This paper has as authors Gustavo Braga, Sophie Mignon, Rollet, and Aziz Galvão. The global coffee supply chain is complex and often difficult to fully observe. While coffee is widely consumed worldwide, the underlying networks remain fragmented and not always transparent. For smallholders, this lack of traceability isn't just a logistical hurdle, it's a barrier to verifying origin, quality, and ethical standards, often reinforcing structural inequalities. This research asks, how can we use digital technologies and governance models to restore trust and equity to this vital sector?
To answer this, the authors conducted a systematic literature review using the PRISMA methodology, analyzing 140 peer-reviewed papers. Using advanced natural language processing, specifically latent Dirichlet allocation (LDA) and network analysis, it was decoded the thematic structures and conceptual connections within 2 decades of academic discourse.
The authors' analysis revealed 4 distinct themes. While nearly 40% of research focuses on farm-level sustainability, there is a significant gap. Only 6.8% address holistic, sustainable supply chain management. Blockchain has emerged as the architectural solution of choice, transforming from a mere tracking tool into a pillar of socio-environmental governance. It's no longer just about logistics. It's about providing the proof of authenticity that international buyers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for. However, technology is not a panacea. The paper findings emphasize that the efficacy of blockchain is strictly contingent upon inclusive governance. If we fail to prioritize accessibility for smallholders, we risk widening the digital divide and undermining the very sustainability goals these systems are meant to verify.
Harmonize high-level tech with on-the-ground realities to ensure a fair and transparent future for coffee. By integrating digital solutions with practical applications, it can bridge gaps and foster equity in the coffee industry.
This study provides an overview of existing research on traceability systems in the coffee sector and organizes key topics and methods used in recent academic work.
The results lead us to advocating for digital inclusivity and sustainable practices in the coffee sector. There is an urgency to ensure that every cup of coffee supports fairness and transparency. From farm to the cup,